Welcome to another Vahrenberg Implement Product Informational Series video, and today we are here with the CB75 on a Massey Ferguson 1700E series compact tractor. This would fit the 1726E, the 1734E, or the 1739E. We have just installed a new CB75 on a customer's 1739E here, and going to show you a little bit about it. It's a little bit frigid and cold today, so we're going to cut the operational part short because it's going to be the same as the video we did with the CB75 on the 42, but we will show you some operation and controls. But most importantly is how this thing mounts up. We'll jump in here and we'll show you. The subframe mounting actually goes up into the tractor and ties the tractor and the loader frame all together. It's a quick detach by removing these two pins. There's a pin on the right hand side as you see here, and there'll be another one on the left hand side right here. But the framework, this framework here, is all going to stay with the backhoe. This piece here will stay with the tractor. You can still utilize your 3-point. You don't have to take it off. You can see here the 3-point hitch. The links are pinned up. You'll just have to repin that. You will put the stabilizer on the inside now versus the outside as previous. That is the only major change. Your hydraulic hoses are right up here, his custom top link hitch. But there's your 3 hoses. This is your return hose. We color coded them to make it easy. You can see on the back side here we have them color coded yellow, orange, or yellow, red, and blue for him. It does have caps and all that comes with it. Operator manual storage here. Hydraulic supply is going to tap in right here for the power beyond for the backhoe. What we're going to do next is basically a quick run through of operation, how to set it up, show you a little bit of operation. This one does come with the optional mechanical thumb we have added. This is a 16-inch bucket. He's also chosen to buy a 10-inch bucket. This is the 10-inch bucket here. He's going to have 2 buckets for his backhoe. And this is the 16-inch. 3-tooth, bigger dig. That's a little narrow, gives you different operation control depending on what you need to dig and how you need to dig it. To adjust the mechanical thumb, you just need to pull this pin, and you have multiple holes here that you can put the thumb into. We'll just drop it down here. Put your clip back in. Your thumb has clearance. It's designed and built for this backhoe. Jump in here. Next thing we need to do is remove the pins. Cool thing, Massey Ferguson. You got holders right here to store your pins. You got 4 holes, you got 4 safety pins, so you know when you take them out, you've got the right amount taken out. That one. They're going to have the D-clips on them. I'm just going to keep them in my pocket because it's like 10 degrees. We broke above 0 today, giving me a time to get out here and not freeze up all the camera equipment, getting you some video action. Now we're going to jump in here. The next operational step is to jump aboard. You have a step here. Drop our downriggers. And then you have your different controls. Forward to back is going to be cylinder 1, I call it right here. This is 1 on this lever. 2 is going to be your bucket. 3, forward and back on this lever is going to be this cylinder down here. And it does have boom float. Boom float is an option, is a feature that is built into the Massey Ferguson loader. One of the differences between Massey Ferguson and some of the other brands, they don't offer this. They just offer an up-down valve. Check that out when you're looking for your tractor. If you're thinking about a backhoe, boom float is an awesome feature. Makes you look like a professional when you're just getting started, because you can still power and dig through that ground in the float position. The next side to side is going to be your left and your right. That's pretty much it. I'm going to back the camera up, show you a little action, fire this tractor up a little more RPMs. This is all being done at idle speed right now. One thing I want to mention is with Massey Ferguson, you have a flat side and you have a two side as far as your planting feet here. This is to give you more traction. If you're on hard surface or flat surface, you can actually buy rubber pads through Backhoe, or you can build your own. I've had some guys just take a piece of wood, put some bolts through there, or lay a piece of wood down, and that protects hard surface if you're going to dig around a hard surface area. But you do have two options available as your feet. Now you'll be able to see that side to side is operating a bucket down there. You can operate both levers at once. Turn around here, we'll give you a little more video. We're up to 1,700 RPMs. Two functions at once. Show you a little bit on boom float. It stays at the same level and you can power dig through that. That's one of the features a lot of the customers say they really like. Check out the Massey Ferguson CB75 backhoe at your local Massey Ferguson dealer. We're located in West Central Missouri at the corner of 13 Highway and Business 13 in Higginsville, Missouri. or visit Massey Ferguson website and the dealer locator to find a dealer close to you. To set it back up, you just raise these pins there. Put our D-clips back on the inside. We'll jump to the other side. One recommendation I would always recommend is to, if you're going to do it over the top versus coming underneath, because if a hydraulic hose drops, it's going to drop faster than you can think. Do it so that you always do it in a safe, reasonable manner. That if the hydraulics fail, if a hose pops loose, something happens, you're safe. Oh, I hate cold weather because my fingers don't work good with gloves. And that's the 4 safety pins all back in. If you want to adjust your mechanical thumb, man, these things are take a loader to a whole new level. That's in the all the way up position. You don't have to take it off. You get full function with your bucket, but it's a good grabbing tool. Thank you for tuning in to another Vahrenberg Implement Informational Series video. Come check out the awesome Massey Ferguson product and the awesome attachments like this CB75 backhoe. Built for the machine, made to do work and take your tractor to a whole new level.